tight road. This looks like someone's fucking driveway. Oh shit. Oh. Good thing we weren't fucking flying down there. Yeah. Oh, come on, man. Oh, that's a long ass. Woo! The long ass yellow light. We're fucking cruising. Mike's gonna blow up at these speeds. Cop, bro. The cop right up there, you see him? 2 cops. This cop saw me do a wheelie earlier when we came by. Way back, motherfucker. They ain't coming for us.
I didn't know that's what that meant.
Yeah, it means cop.
Oh, no shit.
Did you see the other biker do that?
Nah, I saw that, yeah.
Yeah. We going straight? Yeah, yeah. Woo! This thing just felt like a bee stinging me. Fucking tag. Started blowing me towards that car. Got a little scared. Man, this guy's taking like half the turns now. About to get a whole turn up in here. Oh shit. Oh man, I thought that was a fucking cop. You gotta love these fucking back roads too. You hit one of them potholes. I got used to that pop-up on me knocker. Stop being so scared of it. Probably hit this jump up here. There it goes. Nice little jump. That shit. Some fast ass wheel is going downhill. Oh man. Oh shit. This horse is about to fucking jump. Oh man. I thought he was about to jump the fence and come at me. Oh shit, my phone's coming out the fucking mountain, bro. My ram mount fucking broke. So it was right here and I moved it over here. And I was tying up the, it has this little like rubber grommet on the bottom so your bars don't get scratched up. And I was tightening it down. I guess I tightened it too much. That should have ripped in half. What up? Yo, we passed you earlier. My boy passed you earlier. Yeah. I got pissed so fucking bad. Let's go. Oh, Chinese doctor. Yeah, gotta throw that shit back more. Hit that balance point for the knee knockers. Hey, he's a knee knocker. Let's go. Cruising down the hill. Cruising down the hill. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! What? Cruising that shit. Oh yeah. Showed me up on my knee knocker, that's for sure. Gotta try hitting this walking trail up. I won't hit it up, just try to hit me too many damn people there. My bad, bro. Came up a little quick. Why was I just swerving that shit right there, bro? Knee knocker real quick. Chasing that third gear out. Gotta throw it back just a hair more. That shit was back there. See if we get some waves. Respect for the Harleys. Okay, no one else is waving. Woo! Can't even see, bro. Couldn't even fucking see that. Bumpy ass road. Woo! Little whoops. Like I'm on a trials bike with all these bumps. Just being able to pull that shit up and forth. Not that I know shit about trial bikes. It looks like there's mad cars here. Yeah. No way we're gonna be able to get through here without someone calling the cops. There's too many people, dude.
Yeah, dude, there's mad people. Dude, that shit was sick though when you were going over them bumps.
Dude, yeah, dude. I felt like I was on a fucking trials bike.
Sick.
Yeah, there's too many damn people here. I got fucking pissed though. See one of these cars?
Yeah, I hear one.
Yeah. I was about to say I hear it. But I just say fuck it, go up there. Fuck it. Oh. Oh shit. I'm gonna get bit by a fucking snake up in this bitch. Alright. Hopefully Superview don't catch my dick. I don't know where the fuck to ride to now. This is my only plan. I don't even know if we get the bikes past that gate. Dude, it's what motor vloggers do. You gotta share every moment. Dude, yeah, dude, you got that fucking brake control down.
What?
Corey's got that brake control down. Yeah, Corey's actually doing wheelies. We're just chasing them.
Me and you just kind of like powered through.
Yo, my fucking phone fell, bro. You got it? You got it? Fuck. Dropped my damn phone. Man, the first time I used my ram mount, the fucking bottom grommet on my ram mount broke. Where is it? Yeah, thank God he was behind me. Guy's brake light don't fucking work up here. my man. Woo! Yeah. Man, my case is fucked up. Watch out. Man, need a new case now, that's for sure. Should save my phone, it seems like. I know, it saved it.
Yo, you should have seen it, dude.
What?
Flopping.
Was it? Man, I'm so happy he was behind me. I noticed my music wasn't fucking playing no more too. Woo! Checking my wallet in my pocket now. Whoa! Damn chicken Moto fans. I think we're gonna go hit up this off-road spot. I've never actually been there. I've been there like on foot, but like I never went far back into it. So I don't know what's back here. Smells some fucking weed. I'm blazing. Like, I've done longer wheelies than that, but like most of them I'm usually chasing. I mean, like some of them I like kind of half chase, but it's still not like all brake control. You know, like half brake control, half throttle control, I guess you say. But either way, it's unacceptable, and I gotta step my fucking game up. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I didn't know we had to go up this.